Hey everybody, I'm Parker Lee. I'm in the Monday-Wednesday class. We just had our first show and I wanted to go over a couple of things to hopefully curb some of the issues we had with K2. So when we use K2 we have to export it in a certain format. I wanted to go over the format, let you see it, that way you know what to click, and also how to make a preset so you click it once and it does everything else right for you. So here I have our Lime Bike promo that we ran today. If you can't see my program screen, that's okay. I have two screens, so don't freak out. So I'm going to hit Command M. That's going to bring up my export settings. And here we have our MXF OP1 up here at the top in the format. That's what we have to have for K2. So if you are in the H.264 or whatever, scroll down, find MXF OP1A, click. You then get this crazy thing in the presets. See here I have my TV Center K2. I'll show you how to make that in a second. You want to make sure that you have AVC Intraclass 100 1080 60i. Be very careful to click 60i. If you click 60p, it will not run. So make sure you click 60i. We'll click that. Here, this is where you can name your package, your VOSOT, whatever it is, to what Jason sent out in the naming email. You can also choose where it goes. So if I want this to go to my desktop, I can choose that. It can go into my artwork folder and go there. Save. Now as we scroll down, I just want to make sure, check a couple of things, make sure they're right as well. You want to check the render at maximum depth box, make sure that's clicked. Make sure enable smart rendering codec is clicked, so make sure it is enabled. And then right below that, click to make sure you use maximum render quality. Make sure you use that. I feel like that helps. And then afterwards you can hit Q if you have media encoder, that's what I personally use, or you can hit export. They both work the same. I feel like Q is a little bit quicker, so if you have it, I would use it. But that's how you make it. Now, how to make a preset. Come up here beside your preset. You have this little icon that says Save Preset. Click, and you can give it a custom name. Now I would name it TV Center, if I can spell right, Center K2. Save Publish Settings, Save Effects Settings. Click OK. I'm going to click Cancel because I already have one. So I clicked Cancel, and as you can see, I have it up here, TV Center K2. So let's say you just finished making your package, you're ready to export. Oh, I don't remember what all the things are. That's okay, you made this handy preset. Just come up, find TV Center K2 or whatever you choose to name it, click it, and make sure everything else is right down here, everything else is correct, and then you hit Q or export and you are done. One more thing I want to talk about was which file to upload once you've exported from Premiere. So once you've exported a project, you get two files. One that is .mxf and one that is .mxf.xmp. The one you need to upload to FileLocker is this first one, the .mxf. One way that I remember it, if I forget which one I need to upload, I'm in a pinch, I'm in rushing, is check the size. This first one is 1.87 gigabytes. That's pretty big. The other one is just 68 kilobytes. That's not very big. Think of this second one as a Word document. K2 can't read the Word document. It may as well be in Russian. That can't help K2. The one we need to upload to FileLocker to run it on the show is the .mxf. So make sure you're uploading this first one. That's super, super important.